Sonicstate here at Synthfest 2018 with Finley from Future Sound Systems.
Hello, guys.
Hello. Last time we met was in Superbooth this year where you were showing the crystallizer.
Yes.
But today you've got something brand spanking new.
We do indeed.
And what is it exactly?
This is the Brunswick. It's a kit.
Brunswick?
Yeah, kit DIY synthesizer.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty much a full analog voice. You've got a single VCO on there, switchable between a kind of ramp and a flat bit pulse wave, a multi-mode filter on there, so you can do low pass, band pass, high pass, with a really brutal resonance control, nice dirty VCA, basic envelope and a basic LFO on there.
Okay, so this, and lots of patch points too?
Yes, yeah, fully patchable.
Wow, okay, so I think we're going to have a little listen then, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
So the bass line that you're hearing is from another Brunswick on the other side of the table. And then this lead line, there's a bit of reverb and delay on it, but otherwise we're pretty dry. So the filter is the Salon key, so it's just kind of like a basic filter circuit. The voltage control is done by a couple of octo FETs, so they kind of dirty the sound up a little bit, and then the resonance, when you go full crank on it, it just gets really pretty brutal.
So I'm seeing a bit of a kind of thing about brutality of Future Sound Systems.
Yeah. We like it brutal. Yeah. Brutal and go home, really.
Okay, so you said it's a kit then. So
Yeah.
How easy is that to kind of construct for like a newbie like myself?
Well, so this was a commission with Beef, who are a expanded experimental film collective in Bristol. They asked us to do a DIY synth workshop. We did that a few months ago now, I think, and pretty much I think a few people, there were about 12 or 13 people there, a few people had soldered before, but the majority hadn't.
Okay.
Everyone went away with a working synth. We had a couple of participants that needed like a bit of help, but I think the one guy had been on a 20-hour day off a night shift at work and then came in to build one of these. So I think as long as you get a good night's sleep,
okay.
Then it should be pretty easy to build for easy to beginner.
Steady hands.
Yeah. It's all through hole. There's no surface mount stuff. Nothing's particularly fiddly. Maybe a couple of the transistors are a little bit tight. But, it's nothing that a bit of kind of solder, flux and braid can't fix. So
for those people who may be afraid to dabble, are you offering it as a made-up version?
Well, we're debating it. We did set out to do this as a DIY kit.
Okay.
But the main kind of thing about it is we wanted to make it super affordable. So if people do end up maybe messing it up, it's only £99 for the full kit.
Wow.
And that will be available, I think, on the 19th of October from Thonk.
Wow. For the whole kit?
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations on this.
Thanks,
Very
guys.
exciting, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Cool.
Nice one.